Well, thank you for stopping in, checking out some of these trucking diaries here on Lad's Garage, or we got Lad's Garage Trucking Diaries. Yes, I have two channels. One's my main channel, Lad's Garage, which I don't get a chance too much on right now, but I do post a lot of these videos, so I appreciate everybody stopping in and checking us out, and all the support and all that. We really do appreciate it. We're getting ready to head over to St. John to get rid of some more rocks. We haul a lot of Kansas back to Missouri. Usually about 3 rocks a piece, 3 rocks at a time, but sometimes we might get 2 rocks if they're big enough. Just all depends, but we haul about 48,000 pounds a piece to Missouri. So eventually Missouri's going to turn into Kansas. The way I figure it. It might take a few years, but Missouri's going to turn into Kansas with all the rocks that we bring back. Just one piece at a time, like Johnny Cash said. Now we're going to go over to St. John, get unloaded, get rid of our rocks, and then we're going to turn around and we got to go down to Baker's, get a steer tire replaced, and we're going back home. Put a service on this thing because we're about 15,000 miles, roughly, give or take a few, since we had the engine done. Hard to believe. We've been running our butts off here lately, so we got to do a little bit of maintenance on this old rig. Put a little grease in some joints. There's a whole crap load of grease fittings on a truck, and they all need grease. The real stick parts get wore out, end up with more downtime, which don't necessarily cost me money, but it makes me lose money. So we're very important to keep up on maintenance on these things. I mean, things go bad, tires, just the luck of the draw. These tires had a few miles on them when I got in the truck, but I got a steer tire. I'll show you when we get down to Baker's. It's got a busted belt in it. So we're going to get over here, get the rocks unloaded, and get down and get that changed. So when you got a steer tire going bad, when you start seeing signs of a steer tire going bad, I should say, it's kind of like playing Russian roulette, honestly. But then you throw in, this is what they consider DOT Blitz Week, where everybody goes into panic mode because DOT's basically going to go out. Supposed to go out and inspect more trucks starting this week, but in all honesty, never, knock on wood, I have never been screwed with during DOT Blitz. Matter of fact, it seems like the states I run through don't do anything during the Blitz. They take vacation and come out hard right afterwards, or they're really working hard right before. But either way, we do our best to try to stay up on the equipment. I mean, sometimes things just go bad. And, with the steer tire, I noticed it was showing signs early in the week of possible issues. I was hoping it's just a fluke, because sometimes these tires just wear weird. But it got worse and worse, and it's to the point it needs to be changed. So we're that's what we're getting it changed now. Is one, we don't want to get screwed with DOT, and like I said, it's like playing Russian roulette with a steer tire when it starts to get the issues. Well, just made it to Baker's. I'll go ahead and drop back. Looks like he's got a pretty full house over there. Now there's no need to mess with all this whenever we got all that going on. So I'm gonna drop back here and hopefully get tire changed pretty quick. Set that there for now. Actually, you know what? Put it right there. I like that better. Reach in. Yeah. Get my glove on. This is always the kids' favorite part. Get the wrong way. It's spinny, spinny, spinny. Come on, tire. Let's go over here to Mac. Kind of see the dimples in the tire. All the squiggly lines. Good on this side. Get right here. See it wear down, and it's coming over, and usually a sign of a busted belt. Oh, we're back on our way down to old Fireball to get ready to head out. Now these weeks we leave out on Tuesday just kind of throw me off a little bit. We did get the oil changed, and I think we got everything all greased up. I didn't get a chance to really open up the check transmission fluid or rear end fluids because, well, it started raining on me, and I didn't want to be caught out in a heavy rain, and plus, this road here, storms get bad, them old trees come down, and so we had to get home anyway. So everything seems like it's in working order, so nothing really leaking bad. It definitely rained its butt off though last night, I can tell you that. Kind of anxious to see what the river looks like this morning. I know it poured its butt off for several hours. It rained enough, power went out, so oh yeah, river's up. All the greenery, hard to see, but rivers definitely came up. It wasn't that high yesterday. That don't help, it's kind of dark out, but yeah, the waterfall's going. Get down here, we'll take a look, see how good the big waterfall's going. The trees are bloomed out because you can usually see the river really good through the trees. This stretch, you can see this is usually where the trees come down at. It's on this road, but so down here. Oh yeah, ain't going as much as I've seen it going before, but still definitely rolling. Oh, what a mess. Ain't never nobody this many people here in the morning. Never. Oh man. Look at this crap. 007. I'm 007. We're on our way. That's old Billy up in front of us there. We're both going down to the same place to load. He's going to the north side of Kansas City, and I'm going to the south side of Kansas City. Good grief, why am I thinking Chicago? Man. Fresh oil change, good oil pressure. Everything's happy there. I don't know, as far as I know, nothing's fell off yet. There you go. Yeah, Billy and I are loaded up. As you can see, he don't have any tarps, and I got the old black rags out. Oh, dadgum. I don't know how he manages it, but he always gets a non-tarp load. You know me. Dadgum. Get the tarp load. Oh well. Kansas City bound. Look out, Chiefs. Oh, now, we just made it to Lowry City. And check out the camera got flames on it. A little dirty, but I like it. I like it, I do. But the old truck polished up. Even got the old hound dog up there. But that old truck polished up, be slick. I do want to say before we end this video out that can't be afraid of failure. Almost any successful person, and this has been said millions of times before, any successful person will tell you 9 times out of 10 they have their failures in trying to succeed. So I see a lot of people give up on a lot of different things, whether it's a business or a hobby or their family or whatever, marriage. They give up on it because they're afraid of failure. Things start getting rough, and instead of pushing through the hard times, they just give up on everything. So you gotta keep pushing. You can't give up. You can't be afraid of failing. Sometimes it might take several tries, but eventually you'll get there. There ain't no doubt about it. If you got the will, there's a way. That's what I've always been told. My grandpa always told me, there ain't no such thing as can't, boy. You can do anything you put your mind to. Don't use can't as an excuse. So, something to ponder on. Hopefully, we'll see you guys come back. Hit the like, subscribe. We really appreciate it. And we appreciate you guys taking the time out of checking out my little trucking adventure.